I want to show you what I eat in a day to drop fat and get lean while still eating the foods I love. Because if you've ever watched a what I eat in a day for weight loss and thought to yourself, wow, that looks really boring. No thanks, I don't want to eat that. Honestly, I wouldn't want to either. But if you've been around here a while, you know, I don't do that either. So today I'm going to take you through an entire normal day of eating when I'm trying to lose weight and show you my breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. And when you see these meals, I know you're going to be totally shocked at what you can actually eat when you're trying to lose weight. And throughout the video, I'm gonna show you all of the calories and macros in every single meal so you can see just how easy it is to actually incorporate these into your day. And by the time we get to dinner, if you don't think this would be the most delicious way to lose fat, I want you to come back to this video and drop a comment telling me I'm crazy. Before I get into breakfast, I know we have so many new friends here, and I just want to give a shout out to everyone who has subscribed this month. You know, I do weekly subscriber giveaways. So if you want to enter to win this week's giveaway, all you need to do is make sure you hit that red button to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, give it a like, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss next week's video where I'll share a winner. By the way, I had this idea to start doing a yearly giveaway for subscribers, like something really big and crazy, but I'm not sure what we should do. Where like basically if you win every week, you get put into a big drawing at the end of the year. I pick one of you to win this like massive prize. So if you have an idea for what you think the like crazy big giveaway at the end of our year should be, drop it in the comments down below and I will pick the best one and give you a big shout out when I announce it. Let's get into breakfast. This is where people make the first and biggest mistake, I think, when you're trying to lose weight. For me, at least, this was always the hardest. So I would just skip breakfast altogether and call it intermittent fasting, but that's actually really detrimental for our bodies and our hormones, especially as women. So I've learned I actually have way more energy, I feel better, and I lose more weight when I start with a good high protein breakfast. So last week I meal prepped these yummy protein chia like oat things, but I think I'm gonna just have that for a snack later. I want a good hearty breakfast, something that's gonna like get me excited about eating healthy for the day. So I'm gonna show you one of my go-tos when I wanna mix things up and just have it be perfection. Most important thing when you're trying to lose weight is using a spray versus pouring oil in. It's gonna save you hundreds of calories. This is non-aerosol, so I'm just gonna do a light coat at the bottom. 2 pre-cooked chicken sausages. While the eggs are cooking, I'm gonna warm up 2 tortillas. These are just gluten-free corn tortillas that are organic. You can use any kind you want. I just like these because they're lower in calories and they're so delicious and give you that like authentic taco vibe. I'm gonna be adding a few things once I put these all together to add even more protein and deliciousness. So let's get these cooked. You can obviously warm these up in the microwave, but there's something about just doing it right on a flame if you have a gas stove that makes it so much better. So just a couple seconds, watch it though. I've burnt a lot of tortillas in the past. Gotta keep my eye on it. I cannot have a taco without some avocado, so we're just gonna just put a little bit on there, not too much. Gotta keep those healthy fats in check. It's probably about 15 grams. Split up our egg and sausage. Little Greek yogurt, some hot sauce, and then fresh homemade salsa right on top. These are my favorite breakfast tacos. They are so delicious. And the great thing about them is you can prep them ahead of time, wrap them in foil, put them in the freezer, and then just throw them in like your air fryer or little oven if you want them quick on the go. So delicious. And these have about 40 grams of protein, which is absolutely amazing. The only thing missing really is maybe some spinach or some other greens, which I do add sometimes. I just forgot this morning, but we're just gonna get into it because I'm hungry. I'm gonna see if my dad will give me the salsa recipe he makes. A lot of people don't know this, but my dad's whole side of the family, well, his step family, I guess, since he was 5, is from Mexico. So my whole life we have eaten so much Mexican food, and that's the culture I grew up in. And so we love fresh salsa. We eat it so much in our house, and I put it on everything. It is a great low calorie, easy way, no sugars or anything, to get flavor without adding fat. All right, so this breakfast is such a good one when you are sick of just like egg whites or oats or something and you are trying to lose fat because you just front load that protein so well. But the second mistake people make, I think, is when it comes to lunch because you think you have to have like a boring salad if you're trying to eat healthy. We're not gonna do that today. Especially when I'm trying to lose weight, I like to wait to have my coffee until after I get my breakfast in, just to have that protein in my body first and not pour the coffee in. But I cannot wait this morning. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I put in this coffee because the way I make this actually really does support my weight loss goals too. And there's some specific tweaks that you should be making to yours. I'm gonna do this in a clear mug so you can see what I'm talking about. But I used to be the International Delight vanilla creamer girl. And then I went to the ones that were like sugar-free. But I'm telling you, whether it's sugar-free or not, ooh, I'm spilling, that really can cause a lot of problems. The creamers and things you're putting in your coffee can add hundreds of calories, hundreds. So you might think you're in a caloric deficit, but then if you're adding your coffee and adding all these creamers and sugars and things, that can take you right out of your deficit back to maintenance or even gaining weight just from a couple cups of coffee. So what I do is I start with half calf, half regular, and I fill it almost to the tippy top. So there's not too much room. And then this is the creamer I use. And I used to be the girl who would have coffee that was like white because I put so much creamer in it. It wasn't even coffee. I don't think I liked coffee back then. I just like creamer. But now that's why I said don't fill it to the top. You won't even need that much. I promise if you start making this, you will only need a splash and it'll be so amazing and creamy and delicious. So this is an unsweetened almond milk and cashew milk or coconut milk. You kind of do whatever you want, just an unsweetened nut milk to start. Then what I do in here is do about a teaspoon of cinnamon. That's a lot, but I love my cinnamon. And then I add 1 scoop of this Miss Congeniality Mood Boost. If you guys haven't tried this, this is actually something I created from like a million years ago here on YouTube. I used to mix together all these things in this kitchen, well, the old version of this kitchen, like 10 years ago, and then created Miss Congeniality Mood Boost because so many of you were dying to get the recipe because I created it after dealing with so much with my hypothyroidism, my hormones, now being like deep into my 30s. This stuff is a game changer. If you ever have like brain fog or mood swings, you just feel like kind of a sense of stress and anxiety all the time. I don't know, is that all of us women? I feel like probably yes. Take this daily. You can put it in your coffee and smoothies, whatever. But this is probably about 5 servings. So I do 5 scoops in here. So it gets a little bit thick, but that's why you don't need a ton. It has a sweetness, but there's no sugar in it. So it's a super powerful blend. Doesn't add any sugar, but you get all that flavor and it tastes like you're having a rich, creamy coffee that you bought like just a splash at a store. It is so freaking good. It's so cinnamony. You don't have to put as much cinnamon if you don't love it as much as I do, but it's great for your blood. And the last thing, if I'm having this coffee before I eat my breakfast, I'll add a half a scoop of protein, either chocolate or vanilla. This is the LSF plant protein. You just blend it in there and it makes it even creamier, more flavorful. And then at least you get about 10 grams of protein before you get into like your meal. So the caffeine and stuff doesn't make you crazy. I'm gonna head and make lunch, but by the end of this video, you're gonna realize there are 2 very specific things I do with every meal that makes fat loss so easy. And these are the things that most people miss. I cannot wait to make lunch today. It is under 400 calories and has 45 grams of protein, and it feels like fast food. So if you're like a fast food junkie and you're craving that, especially when you are trying to lose weight and you just need something easy that's not boring and so freaking good, lunch is going to be your new favorite dish. Okay, so I'm gonna take my bowl of lettuce and just put it on my little scale here. This is something I've gotten into this year, and I wish I would have been better about this on my original weight loss journey because it would have gone so much faster. But you're just gonna take your chicken and weigh it. I'm going for about 130 grams, and I'm just gonna peel this apart. And add it right on there. This is great because you can do this ahead of time and just take it to go too. I actually had about 155, which is better because I'd rather load up earlier in the day and then taper off as I get closer to evening. So front loading the protein here. I'm also gonna warm up a little bit of rice. So about 100 grams of, this is just jasmine rice that we prep. And then last but not least, some roasted chickpeas. These are full of flavor and also give it that little bit of crunch if I can open them. Perfect loaded lunch bowl. This is a like buffalo chicken. Like I said, it feels like fast food. Maybe it's just because it's in this box as well, but something about it just gives it that like kind of naughty, but it's really good for you vibe. This buffalo bowl is so yummy. And you remember how I said there are 2 things I do with all my meals? Well, the first one is I don't wait to the end of the day to have something I really enjoy, and I pack it with volume. So all that lettuce, the fiber, the chicken, everything makes it feel like a big, giant, hearty bowl. So I feel full and super satisfied. I'm not like craving anything waiting to the end of the day. It just keeps things fun and not boring. I am so behind on my steps for today. It's our Made to Move Walk Club day, which is part of my TB360 challenge. And the goal is to walk either an hour or 10,000 steps. It can be broken up, but right now I only have 5,000 steps. Super behind, but I need a snack. So I'm gonna make my smoothie snack. This is like a creamy, delicious milkshake vibe. And after that, I'm gonna be making dinner tonight. And you guys are not gonna believe that you can actually lose weight eating this dinner. It is the most like comfort food, delicious, unboring dinner you could possibly imagine, and it's gonna be so good. Yummy protein shakes are a definite must if you're on a fat loss journey, because protein is gonna help you burn more calories, building muscle, keep you full. And if you have something that you can look forward to that kind of is like an afternoon treat, which is what this is for me, it makes it a lot easier. So I'm gonna do mine as like this vanilla blueberry kind of ice cream vibe. It's so good, super filling. You guys are gonna love this one. So vanilla protein obviously makes sense. It's 20 grams of protein. This is the only one I will eat. The reason I created it is because I have such crazy stomach issues between my hypothyroidism, colitis, IBS. This girl needs something sensitive. So this is the best. It's literally the best. If you've ever had tummy issues, we have an amazing 45-day money-back guarantee, our feel-good promise, and I have a special code for all my YouTube girls. So if you want to try my protein, just use the code YT15, and then I'll get all my YouTube subscribers 15% off. And then Ryan got me on this one. This is his go-to. It's a baby rice cereal. I know it sounds weird, but it's good, easy digestible carbohydrates, and it makes it really creamy and good. I don't know what it is about it. So I normally measure this. I'm just gonna eyeball it right now, but about 1/4 cup. I'm actually gonna take this on my walk, but this together is just over 200 calories, like 205 calories, and has 20 grams of protein, actually like 22 grams of protein. So you get that protein packed, low calorie. There's something about the rice cereal with our vanilla protein that makes it taste like a milkshake. It's so freaking good. Earlier I said there's 2 things I do with every meal to make fat loss super easy. So the first one is that I make sure that I enjoy my foods and have like yummy things to eat all day long. I don't like wait for the weekend or wait for nighttime. And I really pack it with protein and fibrous food, so there's a lot of volume. The second thing I do is I eat my carbs on purpose. So what I mean is, normally when I try to lose weight, I would always, sorry, there's steaming beef next to me. I just meal prepped all my beef from my Aldi haul. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with it for dinner. But I used to skip carbs, which is the wrong move. If you're trying to lose fat, you need carbs. And I typically front load my carbs, so I eat most of them earlier in the day. I don't really have many at dinner. But if I'm gonna have them, I plan it on purpose, which is what I did tonight, because we are making In-N-Out style burger bowls. These are gonna be so delicious. I'm actually gonna use fries for this one. You could make straight potatoes, which are gonna be even less calories, but this is my lazy busy girl version of it. So my meal prep beef, all I did was literally cook it. I would have showed it to you guys, but I hate showing raw beef and raw meat. It just grosses me out. I just put it on the stove, 0 seasoning, nothing. It doesn't need anything because we're gonna add sauces and things to it. So just have it prepped. That way, whenever you wanna go eat it, deciding what kind of meal you want, whether you want a burger bowl or a taco bowl or a stir fry bowl, you can just add that sauce. Makes meal prep really simple. And it makes your food way less boring. You kind of want boring bases so you can make them super delicious in the moment. If you're new to my channel, one thing about me you need to know is I typically, when I cook, don't measure anything. But for you, to give you the exact macros and calories and everything, I'm measuring tonight. So I wrote down the measurement for my sauce. This is like the secret sauce you get on that In-N-Out animal style delicious burger. But I'm gonna make a low calorie version of it, low sugar, so that you can enjoy it without the guilt. This is where a food scale comes in handy. So we're gonna do 120 grams of either a light mayo or this is avocado mayo, but preferably a light one. Perfect. My 0% fat Greek yogurt, always a winner. That's why I buy the big tub, because you need it a lot in my food. We're gonna do 100 grams of the Greek yogurt, 40 grams of zero sugar ketchup. Yes, your ketchup normally has sugar in it, so if you don't pay attention to that, it's time. 20 grams mustard, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Just gonna use the cap, it's about a teaspoon. 2 grams garlic powder, and 2 grams onion powder. I've been really limiting my garlic and onion in general with my colitis diagnosis. So normally I would actually make grilled onions for this. So I definitely recommend them if you are eating onions. Make grilled onions, it makes it so good. Just saute it with a little avocado oil on the stove until they're nice and cooked. But I'm gonna skip that for tonight just because I'm really trying to not eat too much. You can see I'm starting to get that nice magic sauce. We still got pickles to put in. Since the beef and the sauce is ready, the last thing I have to do is cook up the fries. So these are the ones I'm using. They're Jess and Ben's tallow and sea salt cut fries. I'm going to track this in my app to make sure that I'm not going over my calories, but these are really clean version. They still have fats, obviously, but it's a great carb source and it gives that crunch fry burger taste. But the primary part of this meal is gonna be the protein. So I'm gonna throw these in the air fryer and I'll throw it all together. I know what food I love when I'm trying to eat healthy, but if you want to guarantee that this is not boring food, I always test it against my toddler. So I'm going to make my son Luke and myself a plate and let him test it first so we can get a real raw reaction so you guys know if I'm just BSing you or telling you like this is legit. Always have to have at least a little greens. Going for about 120 grams of the beef. Luke is gonna get some cheese on his too. Okay, we're gonna try it at the same time. So you know when you get In-N-Out burger and it has that special sauce on it you love? That's kind of what this is. Should we try it at the same time? So I got your bite ready for you and cooled it off a little.
So what is that?
It's a little cheese. Do you like that? Does it taste like In-N-Out burger? It really does. That sauce is amazing. I should measure things more often. I feel like the balance is the best it's ever been. You want to eat all of it for dinner?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go make my hubby Ryan a bowl so we can all eat dinner together, but hopefully this helps show you that eating healthy, eating a caloric deficit for fat loss does not have to be boring and tasteless and bland. It can absolutely be delicious with meals like these. They're so simple. Go check all my meal prep videos, my grocery hauls. I have so many great things here for you girls this year, and I wanna make sure to help you hit your goals. So whatever they are, drop them in the comments so I can help support you and everyone else in this community can cheer you on because look, you are more than a body, but you only get one, so take care of her. I'll see you next week. Bye.